Good morning, children. In previous class, we learned the matter. Okay? What is matter? Anything that occupies space and has mass is called as matter. Then you learned the types of matter. What are the three types of matter? Solid, liquid, and gas. Then next you learned the how is matter composed of. Matter is composed of smaller particles such as atoms, molecules, and ions. And then we learned the symbols. First one is Greek symbol. In ancient Greek, they used the geometrical shape as a symbol, isn't it? John Dalton used the picture as a symbol. You are seeing here. Nowadays, we are not using the John Dalton symbol because it's difficult to draw every time the symbol as diagram, isn't it? That's why we are not using nowadays. Then the next Berzelius symbol. In 1913, John Berzelius used letters of the alphabet as a symbol. Okay? Which one he used as? Letters of the alphabets. Next, you are going to see the present system of determining symbols of the elements. First one is first letter of the element name. If it is, the letter is a carbon. What is the first letter? C. Carbon is a symbol. Then nitrogen, first letter is N, so N is the symbol. Fluorine, the first letter F, so F is the symbol. Oxygen, O. O is the symbol. Now we are going to see some of the elements as first letter as a symbol. Here you can see that boron. So what is the first letter of boron? B. So B as a symbol. Carbon, C. Fluorine, F. Iodine, I. Nitrogen, N. Why nitrogen N? N is the first letter of that element, isn't it? Oxygen, O. Phosphorus, P. Sulfur, S. Vanadium, V. Uranium, U. So, some of the elements we are using first letter as element of the letter as a symbol. The initial letter of the element as a symbol, we should write as a capital letter. Okay. Next. Some of the elements has the first initial letter as same. The first letter, no, always same. And we can use the second letter of the element. We cannot give every element as boron B, carbon C, copper C, C we cannot give, isn't it? Copper and carbon, the first letter is C. We cannot give as the same letter as a symbol. It is confused. So we are using the second letter as a symbol. Two letter, first one letter symbol and two letter symbol. Some of the elements have two letter as a symbol. Some of the element has one letter as a symbol. Okay, here you can see that. Two letter symbol. Okay, we can see that some of the elements having the two letter as a symbol. Here aluminium, the symbol of aluminium is Al. The first letter A and the second letter. Here you can see that barium B, A. Beryllium B, E. Bismuth, first letter B, second letter I. Bromium, Br. Cobalt, C, O. O is small. Gallium, G, A. Helium, H, E. Lithium, L, I. Neon, what is the first letter of neon? N. Second letter, nitrogen. Because nitrogen has N as a symbol, isn't it? So here neon, we first letter is same for the two elements, we can adding the second letter for the another element for the symbol. Good. Silicon. S I. Organ. A R. It's clear? Very good. Next, if the first two letters are same, first letters of the elements or two letters of the elements are same, so next what we can do? We can take the third letter. First letter common for everything, and the second letter, if it is same, second letter also same, we can take the third letter of that element. You can see here argon and arsenic. First two letters for same for argon and arsenic also, isn't it? So argon, argon is A R, but arsenic is A is the first letter and third letter AS. Then chlorine Cl, chromium Cr. First and third letter as a symbol. Then calcium Ca, cadmium Cd. Here first and third calcium, first and second. Then Mg, then Mn. Do you clear? The first two letters are same. Then how you are giving the symbol of that element? First letter, second or third letter. We cannot give three letters as a symbol. We can give single letter or two letter. Okay, good. Then symbols based on Latin name, the old name of the element. Here you can see that potassium. But the symbol of potassium is what? K. The first letter is P. So we cannot give, already phosphorus have P as a symbol. So we cannot give potassium as P. So we are taking the Latin name of potassium. Here you can see that. Potassium Latin name is gallium. So the symbol is what? K. Yes. Okay, sodium, the Latin name of sodium is natrium. So, Na. Then gallium, K. Iron, ferrum. The Latin name of iron is ferrum. So, Fe. Copper is cuprum. Cu. Silver is argentum. So, Ag. Gold is aurum. U. Mercury is hydrogen. Okay, that is Hg. Lead is plumpum. So Pb. Lead is Pb. Tin is Sn. Antimony is stibium. Okay, is this Sb. Antimony, the symbol of antimony is Sb. Si is silicon. Okay, the antimony symbol is Sb. Tungsten is W. Children, you should learn the symbols of the elements. It's very important to learn the chemistry. Okay, in periodic classification of elements, you will learn in the higher classes. So you should know the elements and their symbols. Okay. Next, some of the elements are named using the name of the country or the scientist or the color or mythological character or planet. We are deriving the name of the elements from the country or color or the planet. So we can see that. Here you are seeing the Americium. What is that? It is derived from the country name America. What is the symbol of that Americium? A-M. Then European. E-U. It is the country after the country name Europe. Iodine, it is a color. I. Mercury, God, Mercury. That is mythological character. H. G. Then plutonium, P, U. Then Neptune, N, P. Then uranium, you know, U. Then nobelium, it is after the scientist name, Alfred Nobel. Nobelium, N, O. Okay, children, you do understand this, the symbol, how to write the symbols of the elements? Children, you should learn the symbols of the elements.
Okay, next. While writing a symbol of an element, we should stick to the following method. If the element has a single English letter as a symbol, it should be written in a capital letter. It should be written in a capital letter. For elements having two letter symbols, the first letter be in capital followed by small letter. Okay, we have to know that the symbol of the element signifies name of the element first. Okay, the symbol signifies the name of the element. Then one atom of the element. If oxygen, the molecule is O2, but we are writing the symbol as O, only one. So one atom of the element. Do you understood? Yes? Good.
Let's have a recap. In 1813, John Jacob Berzelius devised a system using letters of alphabets. What? Use the letters of alphabet. The next. The symbol is usually first one or one letter. I told you, one letter or two letters of the name. One or two letters of the name. The symbol is usually first one or the two letters of the name. Sometimes the old, that is Latin name is used as a symbol, isn't it? Then the first letter is always capital letter. The first letter is always capital letter. And then the second letter is always the lowercase letter, small letter. Okay. Then every element has a different element. Do you are seeing the same symbol as every element? No. Every element has a different symbol for the element. Yes. The first letter you should use as a capital letter. The second letter as small letter. Okay. Followed by the second letter as a lowercase letter. Then every element has a different symbol. Do you understand, children? Very good. Thank you, children.